The Daily Product Showcase is back again. Today, we will create a painting as a gift for Father's Day. Every family member holds an equally important place, and nothing can replace that. To start making this painting, we first need to prepare a 9 by 9 inch paper template. Carefully trim off the excess paper. To enhance the appearance of the frame, we'll use a suitable background frame matching the template size. This is a wooden stick that has been adorned with additional colors. Start by choosing smooth, beautiful pebbles that are not too large and have a flat surface for easy painting. Here, I used a wooden heart with the size of 2 centimeters and added some colors to decorate the painting. Once you're happy with the arrangement, use glue to fix them in place. When you visit our store, the quotes inside the painting and the colors can be customized to your liking. After waiting for the glue to dry, we'll frame the painting and complete it. So we have completed the painting. See you in the next product.